Welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Thank you for taking a look. I want to put a utility sink, some hot and cold water in my steel building, and so I got this at Lowe's and I wanted to put it together and show it to you. I love it because it's this speckled gray color that matches the floor here beautifully. We have a gray epoxy floor. It comes with a tray. It comes with adjustable feet for height, for leveling. It comes with the plumbing to go into the drain, as well as two of the stainless steel mesh water lines, which should never burst, and the faucet with a spray head. Let's take a look and see what comes with it. Inside the tub is this box that has the laundry sink accessories. When we open it up, here's the accessory tray, also, or the drying rack. That'll fit right here. There's a ledge. That's really nice. Yeah, it fits just like this. Fits right in there. Some directions. The two stainless steel wrapped burst-proof water lines. That's very nice. Here's the line for the hose, for the spray hose. Here's the spray hose head. Here's the fixture, which is 3 holes. The plumbing for the drain, the weight for the spray head. This is a water restrictor. These are some connectors for the water lines, and then the feet, or the legs with their leveling feet. The first thing we're going to do is take this and flip it upside down. And then we're going to install the legs. The legs just need to be inset pretty securely, and what I'll use is this rubber hammer. And then we'll put the leveling feet on here. And the leveling feet are nice because they allow us to get a good, nice level surface so the water will drain properly. So these leveling feet just get threaded into these openings in the bottom of the legs, just like that, and we'll put them about halfway in, and then we'll be able to adjust those in and out to get us the proper level. So we got the feet on. Next thing we've got to do is we've got to drill out these inserts so that the fixture will fit. These measure about 20 millimeters, so I think we're going to take the whole thing out of here. By the way, this is a Canadian made tub, which is really nice. This fixture is made in Indonesia, so it's clearly one of those international things. So we've got some large diameter S&D bits that have 3 flats that'll fit our drills so there won't be any slipping. What we're going to do is just drill a myriad of these little holes right at the edge. Make this basically perforated. So I flipped it over and we'll just kind of punch it out. There it goes. There it goes. So we'll clean that up a little bit, and going to see how this fits in. Oh, it already fits in pretty well, so here we go. Okay, this is how this is supposed to be mounted. You've got your on-off like this, and then we're going to mount the faucet that comes out with its tube, but we're going to flip it upside down and do basically most of this mounting from beneath, which makes it a lot easier. Once I've got these holes made, I want to clean out the little pieces left in between the drill holes. So I've got a robust knife. It's going to take care of that. This is how the holes look now. And the fixture will easily come up through here like this. Mounting it like this. So we bring the end of the spray hose up through the faucet, through the opening in here, and now it will attach here. We've tightened these up by hand. As soon as we've got the hose through here, the first thing we need to do is put on the weight. Put the weight in through this nice rounded area, and then we'll tighten this up to secure it. Now, there's a place marked right here, hang weight. So put the weight right there. We'll tighten this down. This will hold it in place. Now we'll secure this end to the faucet proper. Keeping this tight as well. This has a one-way valve in it. So there it is. It allows water only to go in this direction. That's a goose beak valve. Okay, now we'll just put this fitting on the drain. It has a silicone seal here, or actually a soft plastic seal, and we'll tighten that down. The appropriate size clamp or wrench. Don't strip the threads. So these are threaded in and then tightened. These are actually tightened with a 23 millimeter wrench. Not too tight. Tight enough to secure that rubber nose so it won't leak. So I'm just making this nice and secure. That's good. This wrench could way over tighten these and cause a problem, so I'm just feeling it gently. Here, and if it leaks at all, I'll just give it another quarter turn or so. So let's just review. This is where the water comes into the faucet. Usually hot is on the left, cold is on the right. It mixes based on the position of the levers, then comes out through here, goes through this hose, one-way valve here, and then either is a regular faucet or you pull it out and then it's a spray head. The weight allows that to come back easily. You don't have to push it in. And now we've got the drain set up. So we'll flip it back over. Alright, it's flipped back over. Now we're going to install the spray head. And that basically just threads on like this. And that's probably tight enough. If you need it tighter, there are two flats that one of these wrenches like this could fit on and further tighten it. And then you can see how it just flows back. That. And it has a nice little notch here on this that keeps it oriented properly. Here's the little drain plug that goes in the bottom of the that goes in the drain if you want to fill the tank. And then again, this really nice storage shelf, drying rack that can fit at either side. And there's obviously a place for soap here. I'll probably keep it here. That's nice. It's a granite gray with speckles, polyethylene. It's never going to fail, hopefully, and it's going to fit nicely. Again, made in Canada, except for the faucet. So it's something to consider. It was a little over $100 at Lowe's, and I think it's really quite a good value. So thank you for watching. This is where my sink's going to go. Boy, do I need it too. My hands always get dirty with just every day, and it's going to be a great place to wash up before I go back into the house. So consider subscribing. Adventures with Dr. Joe. Click like. I appreciate that very much. Take care. Thank you so much.